Amazing benefits of wheatgrass to the body. Popping up everywhere from juice bars to health food stores, wheatgrass is the latest ingredient to enter the limelight in the world of natural health. Wheatgrass is prepared from the fresh sprouted leaves of the common wheat plant, Trichicum aestivum. It can be grown and prepared at home or purchased in juice, powder, or supplement form. Some claim it can do everything from detoxifying the liver to improving immune function. However, many of its purported benefits have not yet been proven or studied. This video takes a closer look at 5 of the evidence-based benefits of wheatgrass. One, treat skin diseases. Wheatgrass can be used to treat skin diseases such as eczema and psoriasis. While no clinical studies have been conducted as yet to support this, many testimonials of home treatments with wheatgrass seem to prove this claim. There are several ways you can go about using wheatgrass for your skin. Pour wheatgrass juice into a few holes in an ice cube tray. Freeze and rub a cube across blemishes on your skin as well as on any scars or damaged areas. Alternatively, you could pour a cup of wheatgrass juice as a powder into a warm bath and soak your body in the bath for at least 30 minutes. Two, weight loss. Consumption of wheatgrass may promote weight loss due to the presence of thylakoids. A study conducted on rodents found that thylakoids can slow down gastric emptying. Adding them to a high carbohydrate meal can also suppress hunger. These factors may help reduce the body weight. Another study also states that thylakoids suppress appetite by increasing level of a hormone that stimulates the release of bile. This could result in lower food intake. Thylakoids also affect other appetite hormones like ghrelin, which may increase the feeling of fullness. 3. Boosts fertility. A glass of wheatgrass juice can spice up your sex life as it increases sex drive and increases vitality. It provides you with needed energy which boosts the blood flow of your sexual organs that improves your stamina. It also promotes the production of reproductive hormones, improved blood flow to the genitals, which is key to healthy sexual activity as well as fertility. 4. Increases hemoglobin level. A research conducted on thalassemia patients concluded with a positive result by using chlorophyll aka green blood of wheatgrass. The intake of green blood of wheatgrass helps increase hemoglobin production and enhances the growth of RBC chemicals that carry oxygen. Wheatgrass juice is undeniably an alternative to blood transfusion. To encourage the consumption of wheatgrass, many major commercial brands have introduced drinks and beverages based on wheatgrass juice and extracts. 5. Alleviate inflammation. Inflammation is a normal response that is triggered by the immune system to defend the body against injury or infection. But chronic inflammation is believed to contribute to conditions such as disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Some researchers have shown that wheatgrass and the components can help reduce inflammation. Wheatgrass has a good amount of chlorophyll, a plant pigment with potent anti-inflammatory properties. A test tube study revealed that chlorophyll inhibited the activity of specific protein that triggers inflammation.